Hi, I'm Kathryn Wilking. I've got something new to show you today. I've got a new booklet out. It's called Feng Shui for Love and Solid Relationships. I know it's not just about the dating thing, it's about love and relationships. Yes, you too can have a long-term lasting relationship. Just have a few more tips. It's a little booklet about 17 pages long. I'm going to show it to you right now. So just hang on. I've got a couple clicks to do. Here we go. This is Feng Shui for solid relationships. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now here's what's going to happen. This is full of tips and tricks that's going to make things better for you. I'm just going to read a couple of things through this. This is all the booklet, what's in the book. I'm going to show you these things. My own story has its ups and downs, sure. And of course, knowing what you have to bring to the table, as well as what you need from a relationship, will cultivate a tighter connection for you. Having someone stand beside you and got your back through thick and thin is that you'll never be alone. I love it. I love it together. Here, I'm going to go run down here to the rule of two. I want to bring this symbolism of two into the images on the walls. Two birds, or two pictures of two birds, or people enjoying themselves on the beach, or two things that signify the intimate time and space that you have together. That symbol of two is so important in Feng Shui. It starts making you think into two coffee cups, right? Two candlesticks, two red roses, those kinds of things. Use that number two in some of your choices for decor. Your two lamps, two end tables, two candles, two hooks for the bathrobes, yeah, that kind of stuff. But also a recent picture of you two is an awesome symbol. And so remove any of the family or the kids' pictures from that primary bedroom. Another tip I wanted to show you was the royal we. Oh my goodness, I love the royal we. You know what? It's about reframing your language so that you're not blaming anybody or starting any fights or whatever. Reframing that language into something supportive could be another tool for you to try. So what we have here is a new booklet coming out. If you'd like to read more of this booklet or receive a copy at your own computer here, they're just $9. If you're interested in something like that, please use the link that I'm sharing below and follow the directions. And I was just going to put this out for February, but you know what? This is something you can use all year round. So let's embrace this. You know, things could be better. So just enjoy life, enjoy nurturing, enjoy figuring out what you and your partner need together. And this is one way that you can do that. So I'm Kathryn Wilking. Follow the directions at the bottom here, and you too can have a Feng Shui day every single day. Bye for now.